Hello everyone, welcome to a video on how to change the battery on a BMW car key here. So this is a keyless entry key that came out I believe in 2014 and still to this current day. So if you've got a key that looks a bit like this, to access the battery we need to get this black back plate off first. So in order to do that, you press this button here. I hope you can see. There you go, hope you can see that. There's that button there. You press that button to get the emergency key out, like so. And then there's a slot here. You can either use your flathead or you can even use the emergency key to literally just push up, and it comes up like so. So all you do, just take that off. Just be careful, these are plastic tabs, so just be gentle. Then you've got the key, the battery there. The battery is more standard size than the previous one that I used, which was the 2450. This one is a standard CAR 2032, so that's widely available. You can get these as a pack of 6 or 8 from Poundland, so just go to one of your pound shops, you can get it. To get this out, just be gentle and careful, because obviously the motherboard is underneath. So you just need to, where it's rounded on this bit, that's the best place really to try and prise it out. So you do that and it pops out like so. There you go. And then to put the new one in, you go for, sorry about this, the perforated side, or the, well, you can see the perforated side is a negative and you got the positive here. So the maker's label and the positive should show. So all you do, you just, where the bit is flat there, you go in there first, gently push it in, make sure it all clicks in place, and there you go. Just make sure the plus is showing up on this side, okay? And that's it. The reverse is literally, you just angle it in like so, like that, from the top. And then you just press on this side here, so you should just click, and that's it. And that's all there is to it. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe. And to make sure it works, obviously you just take it into the car and start it, and if the battery is faulty or it's still not worked, it will tell you to change the battery, and that's how you find out. Hope that helps. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.